Hi, welcome back to my channel. So I went to Walmart today, as you saw in the clip. I'm not just buy one but two. So guys, let's do unboxing. So I'm going to do this one first. Okay, are you ready guys? Ta-da! I've bought another Molly Space, but this one is emojis punya. So without further ado, let's do unboxing. So I'm going to close my eyes. So ada card kat dalam tu. So this is the plastic. And before I open this, I forgot to show you which one that I want. The options that you might get. So I really want this one, this one, this one, and this one. Ooh, which one do I get? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I've got this one. This emoji Mara. So cute. It's okay, I love it. So as usual, the hands can move up and down, both. But this one is really loose. Why? Why it's really loose? And the helmet, you can open the helmet. Ta-da! Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at her eyes. I love this one. So this is her hands, like this. Because the hand is for holding the gun or the laser. And this is the card. Space Molly emoji, and the names is Peace Off. So this is the laser, quite cute. Just put it right here. You see, the hand is really loose. I don't know what happened to this one. And you can turn the head left and right. And everything is loose for this one. I don't know why. So guys, this is what I've got, and this the card. So I think that's it for today. Bye.